Hi and welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel, your home for smarter marketing decisions. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. You start the year with a rough ad budget in your head, spend too much in slow months, run out of money during peak season, and then scramble in quarter four. Today we fix that with the annual PPC budget planner. PPC, by the way, is pay per click. It's essentially your paid ads budget across platforms like Google, Meta, or LinkedIn. So, planning it annually, month by month, is what separates reactive marketers from strategic ones. So, this calculator gives you two modes. First, you have a flat monthly rate in which you can simply add same amount for every month. It's very simple, it's predictable. And then you can either go month by month, in which you can add individually based on your actual business calendar. So I'm gonna show you with the month by month because that's where the real planning happens. Flat monthly, you simply add one amount, it will be applied across all months. So for month by month, let me just tweak. First, let me apply it to all. So when you click on calculate annual budget, it gives you the annual budget. Since it's the same amount, it will show you just the same. But when you click on month by month, you can actually tweak it, right? So let me tweak some of it. Let's say maybe I am going to invest 80,000 on my ads, and on September I'm gonna spend 60, and then December I'm gonna go 90, right? Then I'll click on calculate now. So now you can see, right? You can see that the average monthly comes out to be 56,667. The highest month is the 90,000, which is December, and the lowest month again 50,000. That's so many months that we've added. You can also see month by month here, and significant variation is since now we have added different numbers. You can see it tells you that December is your biggest month, while January is the lightest. So you can verify this to your actual demand patterns also, and not do arbitrary budgeting. So that's the kind of gut check most teams skip, right? Spending big in December makes sense, right? If that's when your customers are buying more, so you spend more. So if you're a B2B SaaS, your buyers are on holiday in December, then 90,000 is largely wasted, right? So you can plan according to your demand, according to the your target audience demand. So this planner makes stakeholder conversations so much easier. Instead of saying we need around 7 lakh for ads this year, you can walk them month by month plan, and peak also you can justify why are you spending 90,000 in December and low for the rest of the months. So that's how the budget gets approved, right? So link is in the description. Go build your annual PPC plan before the next financial year sneaks up on you, and subscribe for more tools like this, and we'll catch you in the next one.